Introducing 4 brand new features that make building pixel-perfect websites with WebStarts easier than ever. 1. Drag to select. Design faster than ever. Now you can simply click and drag your cursor to select multiple elements at once, no more holding the Shift key or clicking each item individually. It's a smoother, more intuitive way to move and organize your design. 2. Edit while locked. Lock elements in place to protect your layout, then keep editing your content freely. With this update, you can make text or image changes without worrying about accidentally shifting your design out of alignment. 3. Rulers and guidelines. Get a clear visual reference for perfect placement. Turn on Ruler View to see pixel measurements across your page and drag out guidelines to align every element precisely where you want it. When you're done, double-click the guideline handles to remove them. 4. Snap to Grid. Turn on Snap to Grid to instantly bring structure to your layout. As you move elements, they'll automatically align to the grid, giving your design a clean, professional look. Create pixel-perfect websites faster, smarter, and with total control only with WebStarts. That's it for this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave your questions or comments below. Don't forget to visit webstarts.com to create a free website, and I'll see you next time.